Hello everyone, I am Rohini leading a team of 8 members at AAA Hyderabad. In our innovative project Online Fraud Detection, leveraging a advanced machine learning techniques, our solution operates in real time, discreetly identifying the unauthorized credit card transaction to ensure the financial safety of users. Here is the overview of our project in the form of PPT. Introduction about online fraud detection is an intricately digital financial landscape. Our project focuses on development of a robust and efficient online fraud detection system. Here is the libraries are Pandas. Pandas is a data analysis library in Python, providing high performance data structures and data analysis tool for cleaning. And Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a compressive plotting library in Python, enabling the creation of static and interactive and animated visualization for effective and data exploration, also in presentation. And the next one, NumPy. NumPy is a fundamental numerical computing library in Python, offering support for large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. And the next one, Seaborn. Seaborn is a statistical data visualization library based on Matplotlib, specializing in creating informative and visually appealing statistical graphics, adding in the data analysis and understanding. And the last one, Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library in Python, providing simple and efficient tool for data mining and analysis, including various algorithms for classification. Now, in our project, we are using decision algorithm. It is a popular machine learning algorithm used for both classification and regression tasks. It works by recursively partitioning the dataset into subsets, making decisions at each node based on input features, ultimately performing a tree-like structure. Decision trees are interpretable, making them valuable for understanding complex relationships within data. Here is the implementation of the algorithm each step by step are data preprocessing, splitting, model selection, hyperparameter tuning, model training, model evaluation, performance analysis, cross validation, model deployment, and monitoring and maintenance. And now, benefits of our project are financially secure, trust building, global coverage, risk management, fraud pattern analysis, and etc. Finally, the future enhancement of our project are machine learning model optimization, enhanced user authentication, continuous data enrichment, blockchain integration. And the conclusion of our project is our online fraud detection projects demonstrate the critical role technology plays in safeguarding financial techniques. Now let's move to the coding part. Now here is the coding part. This is the index page. This HTML document creates a visually appearing a landing page titled Anomaly Detection. It features a responsive navigation bar with a dynamic hover effect, a rotating background image, and a text box displaying animated text with a linked call to action. The page design incorporates creative text styling, background animations, and a minimalistic color scheme for an engaging user experience. And here is the About page. About page, this HTML document constructs a web page about anomaly detection information. It includes section explaining the concept of anomaly detection, its applications such as fraud detection and cybersecurity, and related insights into fraud detection in financial transactions. The page incorporates text, images, and styled link for a visually appearing and informative user experience. This is all about HTML. And the main page, predict page. It creates a web page for fraud detection input. Featured a central amount, old balance and new balance styled with a background image. It has a promoted heading and from eliminated having clean design with the appropriate spacing and hover effects. Upon submission, the form data can be processed by the server. When click the submit button, it redirects to submit page. The submit page, it creates a result page for fraud detection, displaying the outcome of the prediction. It features a centered headline with a textured background and result. Now coming to machine learning coding part. In addition to the code backend functionalities, our system incorporates advanced features engineering techniques, enhancing the decision tree algorithm regains a validation process, fine-tuning the model to minimize false positives and negatives, thus ensuring both accuracy and reliability. Moreover, to bolster security, our solution utilizes multi-factor authentication and behavior biometrics, adding an extra layer of verification for users. We prioritize the continuous research and development, collaborating with the cybersecurity experts to protectively anticipate and counter emerging fraud techniques. Now here is the connection part using Flask. The Flask application serves the backbone of the interactive fraud detection web application. Upon startup, it loads pre-trained machine learning model for fraud detection. Using the pickle library, leveraging the power of machine learning to analyze transaction data. The application is structured with different routes to handle various user interactions. When the user submits the form, the submit route processes the input data. It extracts the transaction type, amount, old balance, and new balance from the form submission. Utilize the loaded machine learning model. The application predicts whether the transaction is anomalous or not. Now we have to run the program. To click the run without debug, it gives the URL. Copy the URL and paste it in browser. When copy the URL, paste it on browser. It will open our project web page. Here we will give you contact with me. It will go through our LinkedIn account. In this, we are attaching our project video and GitHub code. If you have any queries regarding project, please contact through LinkedIn. In this About button, we know about anomaly detection information, like what is anomaly detection and what are the applications are there. In that, we are choosing fraud detection in financial transaction. If you have more information about online fraud detection, just click more information. It will give more about the online fraud detection. Now we check the predict for online detection. Here we can type. In that, I am clicking 2. In payment, we are replacing number 2. In that, we are entering amount in your account. I just enter 4,000. In the old balance, now we are entering what are the amount in your old balance, and that next one new balance. From now, what are the amount in your old balance. Then click the submit button. It will give the result page. Here the transaction is 0. In this the 0 means it is not fraud. That that means your account is securely and safely in your respective bank. Thank you.